During the Bronze Age on the island of Cyprus, copper deposits were discovered by the village of Hala Sultan Teki. This turned this humble village into one of the most important trade locations. During the Bronze Age, Cyprus was the biggest copper producer in the Mediterranean, at least for some time. Copper was an important product because from it bronze was made, which, as the name suggests, was important during the Bronze Age. These events of the village finding copper deposits and becoming an important trade location were discovered by researchers from the University of Gothenburg who led excavations that revealed this information. They put the information they found in a study they published in the Journal of Archaeological Science. For more details, I will quote from EurekAlert.org. Quote, "The Swedish Cypress expedition is a research project that began in 1927 to map the island's archaeological history. The most recent expedition, led by Peter Pfister at Hala Sultan Teki near the modern-day city of Larnaca on the south coast of Cyprus, started in 2010 and has continued for 13 seasons. The excavations have shown that the city covered at least 25 hectares, 14 of which comprised its center, surrounded by a city wall." End of quote. The expedition found many different things from that time in places outside this area in many different locations. The village or city, which it later became, got its name, Hala Sultan Teki, from the mosque named that same name. That mosque is close to the excavation site and was obviously built long after the Bronze Age. Peter Pfister said the ruins of the city contain many signs of copper production. There are cast molds, slag, and smelting furnaces. He said about the production process, quote, "The ore from which the copper was extracted was brought into the city from mines in the nearby Troodos Mountains. The workshops produced a lot of soot and were placed in the north of the city so that the winds mainly from the south would blow the soot and the stench away from the city." End of quote. He also said the way production was done at that time and place was not safe because it generated many waste products such as arsenic, lead, and cadmium. People at that time did not know they were releasing those toxins, which was why they did not make changes to the process. The city of Hala Sultan Teki and the civilization around it collapsed around 1200 BC, like many other Bronze Age civilizations at the time. It was probably because of the quote-unquote sea peoples. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe for more content like this.